Do you want to know how you can hide your number from others on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide your number on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone, and click on the three lines, which is your settings, and click on settings. What you need to do next is go to privacy and security, scroll a bit down, and you can see your phone number. Tap on your phone number and you can click on nobody, and you can see that you can click it and then your phone number will not be visible to anyone. You can also click on anybody or my contacts and everybody will see your phone number if you click on everybody. And if you want every one of your contacts to see your phone number, go ahead and click my contacts. If you don't want anybody to see your number and want to hide your number on Telegram, go ahead and click on nobody. So you can see that who can find my number. You can click on my contacts. So this is how you can hide your number on Telegram. After you're all done, go ahead and click on this tick mark. So this is it, guys. This is how you hide your number on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.